Welcome to the Truro Nissan weekly update for your week starting Monday, September the 17th. Okay, so we don't quite have our intro down yet. Eventually we're gonna have this like epic intro, but we're not there yet. So this is our second episode of an unlimited amount of episodes. This is episode 2, season 1. So today on this episode, we're going to talk about something we feel is fairly unique. We have non-commissioned salespeople here. I was in a meeting last week and I said that and somebody stopped me and said, well, what does that mean, non-commissioned salespeople? Because it's unusual. Well, we're gonna let Amanda Hill, who's been selling with us for the last year, as she says, at 306. So 2 days ago, she celebrated her 1-year anniversary with us. She has a unique perspective on what it means to be a non-commissioned salesperson.
Hi, my name's Amanda. I work here at Truro Nissan. I've been here for now 367 days. The year's flown by. I've met a lot of great people. There's a lot of good employees here. What, really? Yeah, right. Like they just don't believe you. And then once reality does set in, they're more trusting in you. A lot of people look at a salesperson as if they're pushing something on them that they don't need or want. Whereas with a salary, you can deliver what they want and what fits them and what suits them. The elder person that comes in here, they're still the elder person that thinks you're a pushy salesperson. But the younger generation, they're more comfortable and confident. Yeah, so I've done some work for the Facebook page. I've done some work for the website. I help out our business manager, Laura Dingle, when she's off or if she's sick or on vacation. I feel like I can help out quite a bit around here, and I've done quite a bit. Bring snow pants. Farmer's Almanac this year says we're going to get a lot of snow. Hopefully it's not too bad. Be kind, be humble, be you, and you should be able to succeed. Oh gosh, I love the Murano. It's beautiful. Black and chrome, platinum all the way.
Our intention when we introduced the compensation plan that we have here was not to be different than everybody else. It was to create an environment where we were able to put the needs of our staff and our customers first, right? So how do you put them both first? Well, sales can be difficult, right? So it's seasonal. There's highs and lows. We have obviously in the summertime it can be extremely busy and everybody make lots of money, and it's fantastic if you're a commissioned salesperson. And then February hits and we spend most of our time out on the lot shoveling snow and moving cars, and it's just a disaster sometimes. It's hard when you look into the eyes of your staff and you say, well, great job everybody clearing the snow, but we didn't sell any cars, so how can we actually pay you? And that's just always been something that didn't really sit well with me anyways, and I know a lot of other people in our industry. So we've adopted this non-commissioned sales structure here. We pay a salary. It's consistent right across the board. It never changes every month. Somebody in our sales department, they know exactly what it is they're going to make at the very minimum. But then on top of that, we layer in bonuses for stuff, maybe volume, right? We still need people to do the job and help people find the cars they want. But we pay some volume bonuses. We pay different things. But the bottom line is our salespeople here don't get paid to sell you a more expensive vehicle or the vehicle that, I don't know, maybe for some reason we have one vehicle that's in our inventory at a little less money than a similar vehicle, and the salesperson knows, well, if I move over to that one, then I'll make more money. Well, it really shouldn't matter what they sell. When you come in here, you're not meeting with somebody who's now driven to increase their commission. Really, the main goal would be to find the right vehicle for our customer. We're going to bring in Derek next here. Derek's been with us now for some time as our service and parts manager, and we have some opportunity there that Derek's going to want to share with you. Come on in, Derek. Let's go through the opportunities that we have here. How's it going?
No, not too bad. And yourself? Edit.
So, we have some opportunities in our service department as far as employment that have come up. So why don't you share with everybody what those are?
We're currently looking for a detailer Also going to be looking for a shuttle driver, utility person.
By detailer, what exactly are we looking for?
The detailer's responsibility basically will be to clean all the new car deliveries, the used recons, to make them look as new as possible.
So do they would primarily we'd need somebody with experience.
Definitely experience is definitely an asset.
Our shop, we've not really taken anybody on a tour, but if you had been here before and we've bragged about our store, I mean, we have in-floor heating, and we're only 3 years old here, so the building's nice, like it's a good environment. And we're setting up a second bay for that person to work through accessories and
They
things
will
like
have
that.
a second bay as well to also do light accessories.
Now, the other opportunity is going to be in driving our shuttle. So what exactly will that person need to do?
The shuttle driver will have to shuttle the customers when they drop their vehicles off in the morning, basically take them to work, take them home, wherever they want to go. Their responsibilities will also be basically walking the lot, organizing all the new vehicles, moving vehicles around.
Well, we talked, one of the things we talked about earlier was just what this business is like in the wintertime. We were talking about commission salespeople and how hard it is. 1 month you might spend more than half of it outside cleaning snow. So this person that we're looking for a shuttle, those days that we were talking about where it's dead in the sales department likely are also dead in the service department, which means that we're looking for as many people outside as we possibly can. Shuttle driver could be seen as sort of a cushy job where you just kind of drive around all day, but I think really what we're looking for is somebody that could potentially lift something or shovel something. It's a little more...
Definitely will be some days where they will have some extensive work removing snow, moving vehicles around, stuff like that.
Yeah. So we're looking for a detailer, preferably somebody with some experience. Looking for a shuttle driver and also somebody who can do just a whole number of things around here as well. So that's we're looking at bringing them into our shop environment, right? Which I think we're pretty proud of. So we have how many people working in our shop right now?
We have 3 Red Seal technicians. 3 of them have been with us since day one. Day one, we only had 1 Red Seal, Dr. Bob.
Dr. Bob?
Dr. Bob.
Bob.
Over the course of the last 3 years, we've helped the other 2 technicians get through their schooling, help them develop their abilities and help them develop their skills. And now, 3 years later, all 3 of them are Red Seal.
Mm-hmm. Good job, guys.
All of them have got a cake for their certificates.
Was I here that day? I don't remember a cake.
Well, you bought them. The 4th guy we have is basically going to be going into his first year apprenticeship program.
Nice.
Right now he's basically changing tires, changing oil, some of the light maintenance.
So these 2 new positions that have opened up, we hope that we bring some people on board that also then work over the long run with us. So, all right, well, why don't we finish right there? I imagine when before you came up here, that counter was jammed with people, so I don't know if you wanted to head back down there.
And I did have one of the tire reps down there waiting for me as well.
He brought donuts, though.
Did he? I never even got any.
Oh, sorry. We ate them all.
No, doesn't surprise me.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so I mentioned that we don't want to turn this into a commercial for our vehicles, but we do have an opportunity right now with our Titan. So Titan, for the first time really ever, is at 0% financing. I think we've been asking for 0% for quite a while. Last month we had a very large cash incentive, and this month we still have that very large cash incentive, and we have the option to finance our Titan out to 84 months at 0% with a large finance cash rebate also to combine with that 0%. So you can choose 0% to 84 months, take the finance cash that's available, and it differs per model depending on which model you're looking at. So if there's one in particular you wanted to know about, we can tell you. Or you can take this we're up to $17,700 pre-tax, which is like 20 grand when you factor in the tax, but it's a massive purchase rebate that we have finance options for, or you just cut a check and off you go. So that like right now we're just in such a good spot for Titan as far as incentives go. And these are on 2018s. Also, we have like this crazy amount of 2018s in our inventory. We want to provide options for our customers, and we have a lot of inventory right now to clear out. Now we have all these programs available. Reason why we're sharing that here is I think it's a legitimate opportunity to get yourself our Nissan Titan, take advantage of either a very low interest rate and some finance cash, or a massive rebate up front and and potentially some finance options there. Plus, we've been speaking with our friends across the street at Patterson's, and we've managed to work a deal out with them where not only can you take advantage of these low interest rates or big rebates, we can also show you how to drive home in our Titan with a brand new Polaris ATV in the back of it. We're working closely with them to provide additional value, give you all of these incentives, and provide you with a lot of selection in our inventory, but also enable you to drive home one payment, brand new ATV in the back of your new Titan, and off you go to do truck things in truck places with truck people. So new Titan, new Polaris ATV in the back of it, one payment, could be 0%, could be large cash incentive up front. We'll show you how to do it, but bottom line is this is a unique situation we're in right now, and the Titan has Canada's best truck warranty at 5-year, 160,000 kilometer bumper to bumper. So that's like just a massive warranty right out of the box. Like, you don't have to pay extra for that. It just comes with that. And that's really the manufacturer saying, you know, we believe in our truck. We feel that we feel confident in standing behind it for that long. It's, you know, it says something about what the manufacturer thinks about that truck. And then go out and talk to your friends and family that have already bought trucks from us. We are the #1 volume Titan dealer in the Maritimes. We have been for 2 years. We're working on our 3rd year. There's a lot of trucks in our community right now. Go out and ask somebody, hey, how do you like your Nissan Titan? And you'll hear positive things. That's the opportunity on Titan. Okay, so thank you for joining us today. This is our, again, episode 2, season 1 of our Truro Nissan weekly update. Whatever platform you're watching this on, leave comments about things you'd like to see. Perhaps you have some questions, put them in the comments, or send us a direct message through the platform, or email us info@truronissan.ca. That'll hit my inbox, and we'd be happy to answer any questions. Or the good old phone, 902-843-4002. Just give us a call, and we can help you out. Okay, and that pretty much wraps it up for this episode. So go out there, have a fantastic week, and we'll see you in 7 days.